Hi guys, let's try to run some of the basic and very important Linux command. So this is my blog where all the basic and important command is already mentioned. You can just go to the learnomate.org and there you can find out this basic Unix command block. Okay, so let's take the first example, that is pwd. What is pwd? Let me open the terminal, right click, open terminal. This is Ubuntu machine which I'm using. If I use this pwd command, it is giving me some output. Pwd stand for present working directory, where I am right now available. That is present working directory. If I just want to compare the same thing with Windows, you can easily understand it. Let me show you. See, this is my Windows machine. Here you can see I am right now available inside the E drive. If I just click on the Unix course, my present working directory is E Unix course. So since I am available here, I can see the list of files and directory from here. If I just double click on it, so this is my present working directory, E Unix course, and after that there is one more folder is there, files and directory. Now I am in this location. I can see the list of files and everything, files and folder from this location. Same thing is happening in the Linux also. If you just go here and if you fire here ls-lrt, I don't see any files because in this location there is no files. Okay, this is all about the present working directory. So my present working directory is desktop. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me go back one step back so we can use the command called cd. Cd is for change directory. I am pressing enter. Now if I check what is my present working directory, pwd, I can see right now I am available inside the /home/Ankush. This is one folder is there. This is also called it as a user home. So there is a user called Ankush. For this is a user home. Okay. Now let me check the number of files and directory in this location. So again I'll use command ls-lrt. ls is a command to list the directories and files in that location. So here I can see there are some of the files and folders are there. D stand for these are all directories are there because here it has mentioned D. And what about this? This is a file. This is a .gz file, means it's a zip file. Alright. Now if I want to go inside any folder, let's say I want to go inside the download folder to check what is there in the download. So I'll say cd and downloads. See, there is one technique is there. You don't need to give full command. Since you just press cd DOW or maybe the first two character and press tab, automatically it will take the name. Now what is my present working directory? My present working directory is right now I am inside the download folder. If I check what all files are available here, I can see by pressing the command ls-lrt, enter, there is a one zip file is there. Okay, so this is how you can use the cd command to change a directory. Okay, now what is my present working directory? Right now I am inside the downloads. Okay, what I want to go back one step. So what I will do, I will fire a command cd ... If I fire a cd ... command and if I check pwd, I can see that one step I am back here, /home/Ankush. There was a download folder. So I am just getting one step back. Same way in Windows also. See, right now I am available here in files and directory. Let's say I want to go one step back, one directory back I want to go. So I'll just click on Unix course. You can see there are two directories are there. This is where I was initially and now I am going back. So how it is possible? By pressing a command cd ... So cd is for changing the directory and ls is the command ls-lrt to list the directories and files. Okay, you can also use ll command. This will also give the same result, but ls-lrt what it will do, the modified files recently modified files you can see here in the below. So let's say you are making some change to the file and you want to see that file. So you cannot search it over here. What you can do, you can just fire a command ls-lrt, which will show you the latest modified file. So here you can see the time. If you make some changes to the documents, then you can see that folder at the bottom by pressing the command ls-lrt. So this is the beauty of ls and ls-lrt command. When you fire ls command or you can ls-lrt, it will show you some other details also that we will discuss. Apart from this, you can also use ll command. This will also give the same result. This is how you can list the directory by pressing ls-lrt command. By pressing a cd command, you can change a directory, and by pressing pwd command, you will get to know where are you right now, present working directory. I hope this is clear. We'll see the next few commands.